Today, I'm teaching you how to make this beautiful wire cross suncatcher. This is a perfect, beginner-friendly do-it-yourself wire wrapping project that uses my signature 4-year tested technique. Stick around, let's make some rainbows together. Hello and welcome. I'm Marjorie with Shimmerly. If you want to master my successful wire art designs, make sure you subscribe right now and don't forget to turn on notifications. Every time I help someone create one of these sun catchers, I get to expand on my mission to uplift with rainbows. Now, before we get started, if you love this design and want all the materials and instructions in one spot, check out my complete DIY tutorial toolkits on Etsy where you can select your favorite color wire. You can even choose if you want the tools or no tools. The link is in the description box below. Grab your pliers and wire. Let's jump into the materials list. To complete this project, you'll need flush cutters, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, an 18-inch piece of aluminum jewelry wire, and a 10mm crystal prism teardrop. We're starting with chain nose pliers. Make a bend at almost the center of the wire at a 90-degree angle, then bend again about 3/4 inch over. Move up the wire about 2 inch and make a bend out at a 90-degree angle. Now repeat on the other side. Move out about 3/4 inch and make another bend up. Repeat on the opposite side to make the shape of a football goalpost. Now bend each side down at the 3/4 inch mark again to make a T shape. Bend up again, then repeat on the other side. Now move up about 1 inch and bend down. Repeat on the other side. Find the center of the top, then bend again to start making the hook at the top. Now take your remaining wire and wrap it around 3 to 4 times until it is tight. Leave a little room for the wrapping to pull some of your wire into it. Once you have made all your wraps, pull the rest of that wire down and curve it into a wavy line and form a circle at the bottom. Cut off any extra wire using the flat side of the flush cutters to make sure you have nice, clean flush cuts. Take your round nose pliers and make a spiral out of the circle. Grab the very tip of the wire with the tip of the pliers to create a nice tight loop to start your spiral. Once your spiral is complete, you can use your chain nose pliers to flatten out the spiral so there are no sharp or jagged edges and it is smooth to the touch. Be careful not to press too hard. You don't want to damage the wire. Grab your round nose pliers and make a tight loop at the top. Now grab that loop and curve it around to make a circle around the tight loop. You'll be left with a crooked hook at the top. Grab your chain nose pliers and then grab the wrapped portion about halfway down the jaws of the chain nose pliers to get a grip on it. Take the circle with your fingers and pull it back to straighten it out. Place your teardrop crystal prism on the spiral and close to make sure it doesn't fall off. And there you have it. Your beautiful cross suncatcher is complete. I truly hope that you have loved learning my Shimmerly technique for this design. If you make it, please tag me on Instagram or Facebook. I'd absolutely love to see your work. Before you go, here are your next steps to mastering wire art. For a printable step-by-step PDF guide for this project and many more, the link to my Etsy shop is waiting for you in the description box below. While you're there, be sure to check out the complete DIY tutorial toolkits to get all the supplies and instructions sent straight to your door. Thank you again for all your wonderful likes, shares, and subscribes. Happy crafting, and I'll see you in the next one.